Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AB ARTCRAFT. Today I am sharing with you my beautiful art and craft. This is my first quilling craft. This is wall hanging craft from West newspaper. This is peacock quilling craft. And this is girl face making craft. And this is most beautiful quilling Durga craft. My art and craft are made from my own creative ideas. This is quilling kitchen made on quilling strip. Today I am very happy to know that viewers of my daily post is increasing rapidly. At last, I request you all, please subscribe my channel positively. Write comment in the comment box that what type of video you want. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and press the notification button. Your one like, share and subscribe make me familiar to all. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.